In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export General Ledger to Excel in QuickBooks Online. The General Ledger is the master list of all your transactions, organized by account. Exporting it to Excel is helpful for in-depth analysis, audit support, or sharing details with your accountant. The process is quick, and once you know where to click, you can repeat it anytime you need a clean snapshot for a specific period. Start on your QuickBooks Online home screen. Look to the top right corner and click the small gear icon. From that menu, choose Export Data. If you don't see this option, your user role may not include export permissions, or your interface might look slightly different depending on your plan. Once you're on the Export Data page, you're in the right place. Next, set the date range for your export. This is important because the General Ledger can be very large, and narrowing the dates keeps your file focused and easier to work with. Choose the period you want to analyze, whether that's a month, a quarter, a year, or custom dates. Think about what you need the export to show, like a particular fiscal period, so the results match your reporting goals. On this same page, you'll see options for reports and lists. Disable anything you don't want included, and leave only the General Ledger selected. This keeps the export clean and reduces the file size. It's a good way to avoid pulling extra reports you don't need, and it ensures you're downloading exactly what you came for. Now, click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will compile your data and start the download automatically. You'll typically get an .lsx file. Depending on your browser, the file may appear at the bottom of your window, or it may go straight to your default Downloads folder. If your ledger covers a long time period or a high volume of transactions, the download may take a moment, which is normal. And there you go. That's all. You've successfully exported your General Ledger to Excel. When you open the file, you'll usually see familiar columns like Date, Transaction Type, Account, Description, Debit, Credit, and Running Balance, which makes it easy to filter and sort for deeper insights. If something looks off, the most common cause is the date range, so it's worth double-checking the period you selected. Keep in mind that exporting doesn't change your books. It simply creates a copy of the data for offline review. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to get your General Ledger into Excel quickly and confidently.